get your raise in the next year 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gunmetal Joe, and today we will be looking at some previews. First on the list is a P Bandai Master Grade Sandrock EW Armadillo Lizard Equip Edition. This will be priced around 6,820 yen, roughly about $44 US or 2,600 peso. And that is if you are living in Japan. This release adapts the Armadillo Lizard equipment seen in the Mobile Suit Gundam Wing Endless Waltz Glory of the Losers. While it shares select molds from the previously released Armadillo equipment, this version introduces newly molded parts exclusive to the Lizard expansion, emphasizing enhanced firepower and battlefield presence tailored specifically for the Sandrock. I know there's a lot of Gundam Wings fans out there. I wish Bandai would just have released this as a normal release. This will double in price once scalpers get hands of this model kit. Next on the list, we now have a colored preview of the SNAA Soul Spear Lamorak. I guess SNAA has found a distinct pattern of design of which this model kit will look like, especially in the terms of Knights of Rounds. The size of this kit is almost master grade, and in terms of quality and design, you could expect real grade details when building this model kit. Some has this on pre-order now at around $24 US, but could go as high as $30, depends where you're getting it from. The only missing on this actual build is the pilot cockpit and pilot figure for it to be considered as a master grade. If somebody picks up this as an anime material, prices of this kit would really go high, especially if you have the first edition. Based on the outer armor, this is kind of monotone in color of red and white, with a little bit of yellow and gray added in the mix, which is synonymous with the Ronald McDonald color scheme. I guess this will have plenty of painting opportunity, especially on the halberd part in adding silver. For now, let's enjoy some of the official photos provided by the manufacturer. Same with the other release, this will comes with water slide decals included. Next on the list is a knockoff version of the official Hasbro Takara Tomy Studio Series 86 Megatron. Instead of the classic handgun version, we will be getting a tank mode specific to this version. This is actually a follow-up on the MD-005, which is a knockoff of the Studio Series Optimus Prime. I think I'm going to get that one before I get this one added to my collection. I really love the classic G1 look of this version, as this resounds to my childhood Megatron. These two are the only included accessories on the set, of which can be attached on the tank mode. Now all you need to do is invest on some Decepticon stickers and you're all set. And finally on the list, we now have the Ban 8833, which is the metal build version of the Gundam Hi-Nu. Unlike the actual standard Gunpla kits, this features heavily stylized proportion and increased surface detail to mimic the look of a pre-painted metal figures. While an older Davan Hi-Nu version exists like the 6635 Verka, the 8833 metal build style is a newer release expected to arrive around early of 2026. No official price has been set by the manufacturer, so stay tuned for more updates in the upcoming weeks. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.